Nicole as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 7th. For this video, we will need little cookie cutters. You can get just some little metal cookie cutters, old cookie cutters, thrift store cookie cutters, and I got Walmart cookie cutters. They don't have to be anything special. Simple shapes are best. And then I have different kind of trim. That is from Hobby Lobby. It's just some string that is meant to make packages look nicer, and some ribbon. And basically what we will do is, let me get some really nice Christmas shapes. So I like the star, I like the tree, and I think I'm gonna get the ornament and get rid of the other ones for now. So I have these three here, and I will just use the string to wrap them. I will get a long string cut, so I don't know yet how much I'm gonna need. No, I'd rather have too much than not enough. Okay, let's stop right here. This is going to be interesting, I can already tell, because these things can actually come off. So I will just make a little bit of a knot at one end, so I'm not losing the ornaments. See that? Let me make a little knot here, like this, and then, yeah, why not, like that. I'll start with the star. I will have a little bit of a loose end where I want the top to be, and then we'll just wrap. Since this is more than one string, I started with the most complicated first, I guess. This will take a little bit more finesse. Okay, so I've got this. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and make a knot in the very top, just so I can anchor it a little bit. Good. And now we'll start wrapping. Oh no. I even got the trash tangled up in it. Oh, this was not as easy as I thought it would be. I'm just trying to keep the string as straight as possible once I pull it through and get the other things out of the way. Okay. One wrap done. Next. It makes it a little bit harder because I have things on there that potentially get stuck in the corner of the star. Here we go. Alright. Next. I will speed this up for you so you don't have to sit through the entire thing at normal speed. But you're gonna still have to watch me do it. Almost there. I am done. I don't want to do anymore. Let me cut this off a little bit. I'm just going to make a couple of knots here. There we go. And I'll probably glue the end down or feed it up here somewhere. But the main thing is, hallelujah, we've got this done. This was harder than I thought, actually. And let me go move some of the wraps around a little bit. Basically, I will use this part here to hang it on the tree. So this is the star. Hallelujah. I started with the hardest one, didn't I? It doesn't really look like a star anymore, but it is what it is. Let's go with a simple one. For this one, I'm gonna go with a circle. And this one, look how pretty it is though. That one will go ahead and go somewhere else. Ooh, I can use it for other crafts. Okay, so let's take that trim off. Oh, that's the bottom. Where's the top? Well, maybe I do have to go this way. This one is much easier because it just has little round thingies. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's see how far that gets me. The top obviously will be right here. I will make, first of all, let me make a knot up here so I'm not losing anything. Perfect. Then I will wrap it around here and knot it so we know that's my top. Ta-ta! And then let's wrap. Ooh, okay. Ball needs to come out. Here we go. It's a little bit easier than the other one. It still has some stuff getting stuck. Ah, so much easier, so much faster. Ta-ta! Look at the little star. It's cute. So I'm gonna try to knot that together like this. Oh, this is perfect that the star ended up on top. I would say it's probably a good idea to add some hot glue to the knots, just so they don't unravel. Okay, last one. I'm going to use the ribbon for this one. Let's go ahead and tie the top off like this, and then get a lot of ribbon out of there. And we'll wrap. Let me make a better knot right here. There we go. Now we'll wrap. So what we have learned here is the simpler the ribbon or rope that you're using, the better you can still see the shape. So if instead of all of these embellishments, if I would have used just some jute, you know, just like some packaging string, it would have probably been nicer for this craft. I was trying to go too fancy. It's okay. It's okay. I'm hoping I'm not running out of ribbon before I'm done wrapping. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Getting so close. Wow. Just made it. Like this. And like that. Ta-ta! And we are done. Hallelujah. So we got the funky fancy one, the slightly less fancy one, and the ribbon one. If I would have had more ribbon, I would have been a little bit more diligent about getting the covers, the corners covered. But it is what it is. Alright, I hope you like, I hope you get inspired, and try those things out yourself. Bye, till next time.